Hello everyone. I will share one wonderful poem, Scaffolding, which is written by Seema Seni. Here I'll give you the complete description with metaphor. Before we move to the poem, let's have an introduction part of this poem. The poem uses metaphor to suggest that relationships are not naturally exist, but are built over a period of time. Once this relationship has formed its shape, the endurance of such can be reached at eternity. With a determined, confident and very inspirational tone, Heaney emphasizes the importance of trust between the two people through 5 neat couplets with rhyme. Masons in the very first line of the poem is a metaphor suggesting the two people who share the same interests that are determined to establish a friendship. It is a poem that is bound to bring out strong emotions because of its clever and true construction. The poem, Masons when they start upon a building are careful to test out scaffolding. Make sure that planks won't slip at busy points, secure all ladders, tighten bolted joints, and yet all this comes down when the job's done, showing off walls of sure and solid stone. So if, my dear, there sometimes seem to be old bridges breaking between you and me, never fear, we may let the scaffolds fall, confident that we have built our wall. The first 2 lines here, the masons when they start upon a building are careful to test out the scaffolding. Description. Scaffolding takes a simple metaphor and extends it for 10 lines the length of the poem. While the poem never explicitly states about its love and friendship, explicitly states that it's about love and friendship. This idea comes through loud and clear. Heaney starts with a literal description of scaffolding in the first 6 lines, beginning masons when they start upon a building are careful to test out the scaffolding. The picture gives a vivid vision of justification that why should be tested properly for strength. If scaffolding is proper from each and every corner, it provides comfort zone to the masons, resulting a strong and beautiful structure. The next 2 lines, make sure that planks won't slip at busy points. Secure all ladders, tighten bolted joints. This line can be interpreted as when mutual difficulties arise, the two people would join together to solve the problems and the relationship won't fall from it. Ladders represent essential stages to reach the height of the relationship, and to tighten bolted joints refers to the building of trust in each other. Very wonderful lines. The next 2 lines, and yet all this comes down when the job's done, showing off wall of sure and solid stone. And yet in the description, and yet all this comes down when the job is done, showing off the wall of sure stone, shows that the solid structure of friendship remains after the scaffolding is gone. So if once the scaffolding is gone also, there is no matter of worriness, because we have already made a wonderful relationship, or we have made a wonderful wall and beautiful structure. So if, my dear, there sometimes seem to be old bridges breaking between you and me. Description. After explaining the essence of relationship building, Heaney uses the last two couplets to encourage his loved one to be brave and to have trust in this solid relationship. Old bridges breaking between you and me symbolizes misunderstanding and conflicts in the relationship. Now the last line, never fear. We may let the scaffolds fall, confident that we have built our wall. Description. However, never fear, we may let the scaffolds fall, confident that we have built our wall, is the conclusion to the problems that Heaney believes any misunderstanding will be cleared up and all the conflicts will be withstand with the solid foundation of the relationship. The writer intentionally put never fear followed by a period in the beginning of the last couplet, which effectively catches the reader's attention directly to the theme of the poem, encouraging the reader to value the long-term relationship and cherish it with whole heart. It's really a wonderful poem, so try to understand and get it by heart. I hope you have understood this. Thank you for watching.